Let's address the elephant in the room. Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch battery draining faster than it should? You're not alone. Many users experience this, especially with older models. The core reasons include screen settings like always on display, background apps constantly running, software bugs, and the natural degradation of the lithium ion battery over time. We'll guide you through identifying the culprits and implementing effective fixes. Before diving into fixes, understand where your battery is going. Navigate to Settings Battery on your Galaxy Watch. This section breaks down which apps and processes consume the most power. Pay close attention to apps you don't actively use, as they might be running in the background and draining your battery unnecessarily. Knowing is half the battle. Let's start with the easy wins. First, disable Always On Display in your watch settings. Next, reduce screen brightness to a comfortable level. Limit unnecessary notifications by managing app permissions. Turn off features like Wi-Fi and GPS when not actively needed. These simple adjustments can significantly extend your battery life without sacrificing essential functionality. Certain apps are notorious for vampire drain, where they consume battery power even when not actively used. This happens when apps run background processes that constantly check for updates or monitor sensors. The first step is to regularly close apps you aren't using. This immediately stops their background processes from draining your battery. Next, restrict background data usage for apps that don't require constant updates. This prevents apps from using cellular or Wi-Fi data in the background, saving battery power. Consider uninstalling apps you rarely use. This completely eliminates their background activity and frees up system resources, leading to better battery performance. Finally, review app permissions to ensure they aren't accessing features like location or sensors without your explicit consent. Limiting unnecessary permissions reduces background monitoring that drains battery. By managing your apps effectively, closing unused ones, restricting background data, uninstalling rarely used apps, and reviewing permissions, you'll minimize background activity and significantly conserve your watch's battery power. Ensure your Galaxy Watch is running the latest software. Samsung frequently releases updates that include battery optimizations and bug fixes. If problems persist, try a soft reset by holding the power button until the watch restarts. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but remember to back up your data first, as this will erase all personal information and settings. Power-saving modes on your Galaxy Watch help extend battery life by limiting features. These modes automatically adjust settings to reduce power consumption. Samsung's Battery Care mode is designed to protect your watch's battery health. It stops charging at 85% capacity, which helps prevent degradation and extends the battery's lifespan. For activities like running or hiking, enable the optimized power mode. This mode prioritizes essential tracking features while disabling non-essential ones. The 2025 case study of a marathon runner showed that using power mode increased battery life from 12 to 18 hours during a long run. Hardware considerations are crucial when dealing with battery issues in Samsung Galaxy Watches. Lithium-ion batteries, like those in your watch, naturally degrade over time. These batteries are designed to last, but they lose capacity with each charge cycle. Expect some reduction in battery life as part of normal use. Typically, you'll notice about 10 to 20% capacity loss after the first year, and it may continue to decline gradually. This is normal for lithium-ion technology. Factors like extreme heat or cold can speed up this process. High temperatures are particularly harmful to battery chemistry. If your watch is several years old and the battery life is significantly reduced, it may be time for a battery replacement or upgrading to a newer model with better battery technology. To preserve your battery's lifespan, avoid leaving your watch in direct sunlight or extremely hot environments, as this can cause rapid degradation. The future of smartwatch battery life looks promising, with exciting innovations on the horizon. Samsung is exploring graphene-based batteries that could provide 40% longer battery life and faster charging capabilities. Hybrid charging solutions, including integrated solar panels, will allow passive recharging, potentially providing up to 10% daily battery top-up in sunny conditions. AI-driven optimization, building on features like the One UI Watch 6.0 update, will continue to enhance power management through predictive algorithms. Advancements in display technology, such as micro LED screens and low power processors, are expected to enable battery life of 7 to 10 days with just 15 minutes of charging. Finally, innovations like the Battery Guardian app will provide real-time diagnostics to help users monitor and optimize battery performance. While challenges like material supply constraints remain, these developments point to significantly longer battery life in future Galaxy Watch models. Stay tuned for these exciting advancements.